Yeah, say the colors again.
Okay. Whiskey is yellow. Tango is black. And Delta is the brown.
All right. Look at them in there, the first little live bird here. Kind of keep it in front of them.
Here we go. Oh, he's going to move on his own. Here we go. Let's lick this birdie.
Yeah.
Let's love on him.
Love on him, lick him, bite its head. Actually, that's why I put them in the bag, so they won't bite their head. But Alpha had that bird by the head a while ago before we got done. Kind of let the bird flop around. Good puppy. Yeah. No. They get acclimated to some sudden bird motion and smells and noises and little wings and legs flopping around in there. She's just sniffing the ground where the bird's been.
And this way, follow my feet.
Yep, tease them around with a little bit more. She was dragging it around a while ago, but now she's busy with your shoes.
It's a he.
Yeah, whatever. I treat them all as asexuals. They scared of them. You took the bird back towards them and like, hey, that's moving bird, man, get out of here.
That's a stinky bird.
Mm-hmm.
There's definitely plenty of smell, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I can smell. What are you doing in there? You sound sad.
Can't see their tail go out a little bit.
What's he doing? Come on.
I think that's a really good first exposure for them. You know, every day they'll get birds, and so by the end of the week, they'll be jumping on that bird and dragging, fighting around. Who's going to drag it out around?